Guiding you guys on how to fix Facebook Marketplace. So let's get started. There are several ways to fix Facebook Marketplace if you're encountering problems. Here are some steps you can try. So first is that you can check Facebook's server status. Before diving in, it's wise to see if the issue lies with Facebook itself. Websites like downdetector.com can tell you if Facebook Marketplace is experiencing a wider outage. You can try restarting your device and app. A simple restart of your phone or computer can fix Facebook app and can resolve temporary glitches. You can update the Facebook app. Using an outdated Facebook app might cause functionality issues. Ensure you have the latest version downloaded from the App Store. You can try logging out and then logging back in. Sometimes re-logging into your Facebook account can refresh your settings and fix marketplace access. You can clear cache and data. Built up cache and data on the Facebook app can lead to problems. Clearing them might help. Next, let's go ahead and look over connectivity issues. So make sure you have a stable internet connection. A weak signal can cause Marketplace to malfunction. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or vice versa and see if Marketplace works on the other connection. Now let's look at the accounts and settings. Facebook might have restricted your account access to Marketplace due to policy violations. Check your notification settings for any messages. In the Facebook app, ensure Marketplace is visible on your navigation bar. It might be hidden accidentally. Now, if the problem still persists, you can try reinstalling the app, which might fix some underlying problems. And lastly, if none of the above solutions work, you can report the issue to the Facebook through their help center. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.